السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? Today our subject is phonics. The topic is about sound of L. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of L correctly, recognize some words that begin with the sound of L, match pictures that begin with the sound of L, and color the pictures that begin with the sound of L. Let's start our class. Let's say the L sound. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is letter L. What is the sound of L? The sound of L is L. Repeat after me. L. Let's go to the next slide. Can you name this animal? Yes, this is a lion. Now repeat after me. L, L, lion. L, L, lion. Let's read. My lion. This is my lion. Let's read it again. My lion. This is my lion. Very good. Let's go to the next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a log. L, L, log. Repeat after me. L, L, log. Let's read. My log. This is my log. Let's read it again. My log. This is my log. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. Can you name this body part? Yes, this is a leg. L, L, leg. Repeat after me. L, L, leg. Now let's read. My leg. This is my leg. Let's read it again. My leg. This is my leg. Can you name this animal? Yes, this is a lamb. L, L, lamb. Repeat after me. L, L, lamb. Let's read. My lamb. This is my lamb. Let's read it again. My lamb. This is my lamb. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next slide. What is this? Yes, this is a leaf. L, L, leaf. Repeat after me. L, L, leaf. The leaf is green. Now let's read. My leaf. This is my leaf. Let's read it again. My leaf. This is my leaf. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a lemon. Lemon. Repeats after me. Lemon. Let's read. My lemon. This is my lemon. Let's read it again. My lemon. This is my lemon. Well done, everybody. Now let's match pictures that begin with the sound of L. What is this? Yes, this is a leaf. Leaf. Start with the sound of L, letter L. So let's match to letter L. Can you name this animal? Yes, that's right. This is a lion. Lion. It starts with the sound of L, letter L. So let's match to letter L. Can you name the next picture? Yes, that's right. This is a king. King. It starts with the letter K, not letter L. Sound of K. So do not match it. Let's cross it out. Can you name this animal? Yes, this is a lamb. Lamb. It starts with the sound of letter L. So let's match to letter L. Well done, everybody. Now let's say the L sound and then color the picture that starts with the L sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is a kiwi. Kiwi. It starts with the sound of K, not with the sound of L. So do not color it. What about the next picture? Yes, this is a lemon. Lemon. It starts with the sound of L, letter L. So let's color it. Well done, everybody. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum.